Okay, my name is Andre Loy and I'm the president of IFOAM, but tonight I'm going to talk as a farmer. One of the presentations I gave at our conference is about organic agriculture, soil organic matter and biodiversity, to explain the importance of these in organic systems. One of the important notions that we have to get across is for people to understand what organic agriculture is. One of the great misunderstandings is that they think that we are a system because we don't use pesticides, toxic pesticides and chemical fertilizers. They think we're a farming of neglect. And in many cases they say, oh, if you're going organic, we're going back 100 years and the world will starve. And we need to actually explain what our definition of organic agriculture is. And this is one where we actually use ecological science. We use functional biodiversity. We look at cycles that are actually adapted to local conditions. The other issue we need to get across is that organic agriculture, it's not the same as traditional farming, but we respect traditional farming, but with that we improve on it with innovation and science. Modern organic agriculture is science-based, based on peer-reviewed, good ecological sciences rather than reductionist chemical science. What we have found is that when we work with traditional farmers and we teach them better soil nutrition, and particularly in terms of recycling organic matter and also correcting mineral deficiencies, improved pest and disease control, we look at water use efficiency, better weed management, and then what we call eco-function intensification. And this is where we actually look at functional biodiversity, how we can bring that into the system to provide the services or the eco-function services that will replace synthetic chemicals, toxic chemicals and fertilizers. And where we have done that, we actually get significant increases in yield. There's a very good study that has been done by two United Nations agencies, United Nations Environmental Program based in Nairobi and the United Nations Conference on Trade, UNTAG, based in Geneva. And they did a survey of where we did this in Africa. And it's a substantial survey. It's 114 projects. It covered around 2 million hectares and 1.9 million farmers. And on average, we had 116% increase in yields in sub-Saharan Africa, and in East Africa, 128% increase in yields. This takes farmers from abject poverty into the word I will use is relative prosperity, prosperity within their communities, so they can afford to send their children to school, particularly their daughters, pay for medical expenses, build reasonable houses, have phones. Phones are very important for communication. Buy reasonable clothes, have a good lifestyle.